All right. One of the residents just really ticked me off a little bit. It's hard to explain how that can happen because I'm a very happy-go-lucky guy. Um, it's just I want to be able to provide a good service. So when people make pretty much rip my time from other residents who need my help and need my service, and they keep on hammering me over and over with the same thing, I just think that that's uh, it's it's making me not perform at the level I want. And so nobody to blame but myself and that tenant who's bothering me. Blame you. But actually, there's this contractor. We're doing, as you know, the granite countertops in all of our apartments. They're beautiful. We chose this pattern that really goes well with the wood cabinets and the old historic hardwood floors. And it's awesome. But we have over 100 granite countertops to do, and the installation crew, which is trying to do between 5 and 10 per week, they're saying, "Wow, your residents, they're leaving a lot of things on the counters. We can't touch that much stuff, you know." So coordinating with renovations of occupied apartments, that's something that a lot of apartment guys wouldn't want to mess with, but we're doing it. We're trying to coordinate this with all of our other renovations. So the issue is professional granite installation crew, can they go and move people's blenders and cups and dishes and bowls and old pots full of dried beans and pasta and rice cookers and every make and manner of thing on a counter? Can they go do that? These guys are technicians of granite installation. So they're telling us, like, look, if they're going to have to spend their day removing all this stuff from the countertops, it's going to be $150 more per apartment. So the residents, they were notified your installation is going to be Monday, for example. Please have your counters cleared. They need your counters cleared completely. We suggest pulling everything down, putting it in the dining room if you can't put it all in the cabinets. So now they just said, hey, we can't work like this. Your residents, they call, one of them said, your residents live like animals. They don't put anything away. I don't think that's true. I take offense to that. But I did see a couple pictures, and a couple residents are living like animals. So I have to distribute some more literature and reach out to people in a way that says your counters are going to be installed. If you clear them yourself, you don't have to pay for a cleaning charge. If you don't clear your counters yourself, you will be charged $150 for your counters to be cleared for you. Please let us know if you have any questions. And people should have their counters way cleaner than some of the pictures I've seen today. Look at that. You don't allow that to happen. There's a couple that they couldn't even walk around. I mean, the counters and the kitchen floors. Anyhow, that's what's going on today that I have to deal with. Get to deal with. We'll see how the residents take it. All right. Just closing up and getting out of here. We'll deal with that tomorrow.